Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your Cardano wallet with Trust Wallet detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, tap on Create a new wallet. Proceed to read and accept the terms of service. You will be prompted to create a secure password for your wallet. Choose a strong password and confirm it. Next, you will be shown your recovery phrase. Write down this recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. Do not share this phrase with anyone, as it is crucial for wallet recovery. Once you confirm you have written it down, the app will finalize wallet creation. Now, locate Cardano in the list of supported coins. Tap on Add Coins to find Cardano. Select Cardano and enable it in your wallet. You will now have a dedicated Cardano wallet within Trust Wallet. To enhance security, tap on Settings in the app. Look for the Security option. Enable features such as biometric authentication or a passcode for added protection. Consider also enabling the dApp browser if you plan to interact with Cardano-based applications. Regularly back up your recovery phrase and wallet information. Avoid accessing your wallet on public Wi-Fi. Keep your Trust Wallet app updated to the latest version. Finally, consider using a hardware wallet for larger amounts of Cardano. This adds another layer of protection to your cryptocurrency holdings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.